To set Find My Files as Enhanced in Windows 10 Home, open Settings, click or tap Start menu icon, and then click or tap Settings. Select Search, and then tap Searching Windows, and then on Find My Files, select Enhanced. Search your entire PC including your libraries and desktop. Customize excluded search locations below. Initial crawl of your data will only take place when connected to power. This option may reduce your battery life and increase CPU consumption. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.